Hello guys, the Cubot proudly introduced the Cubot X90, ready to make its grand debut from today, available in two sophisticated color options. The X90 exudes elegance from every angle. The Cubot X90's immersive 6.67-inch AMOLED curved display, every pixel comes to life with the vibrant hues and unparalleled clarity. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a silky smooth experience whether you are scrolling through the social media, watching videos or playing games. At the heart of the Cubot X90 lays the powerful MediaTek Helio G99 processor. This powerhouse of performance effortlessly handles everything from intensive gaming sessions to seamless multitasking. With up to 32GB of RAM, you can expect smooth and efficient performance even when running multiple apps simultaneously. The expansive 256GB of internal storage, expandable of up to staggering 1TB, ensures that you have ample space for all your apps, photos, videos and more. The Cubot X90 is designed to prove a premium user experience in every aspect. From its stunning display to its powerful internals, every feature is crafted to deliver excellence. Don't miss the chance to be among the first to experience this future of smartphone innovation. Be sure to visit the official sales link below this video and get your new Cubot X90 at a promotional price. Hurry up and grab this exceptional phone today, and don't forget about the giveaway too.